Are you looking for a back-to-school gift for your new favorite teacher? Try these oversized pencils. You'll need some cardstock, a Cricut cutting machine, and some Barely Art precision glue. Let's get started. I just got the SVG file from the Barely Art website. Okay, so I'm going to start by folding up this eraser for our paper pencil. And I want to make sure I can see my score lines, and I'm just going to fold them down. Okay. I'm also going to be folding the tabs down as well. Okay, and it should look something like this. Okay. Now I'm going to take some of the Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. I'm going to add a little bit to each tab. Okay. Now put the tabs on the inside and glue it up. Looks like I missed a tab there. It also helps to kind of hold these just for a couple seconds, just so the glue can set. And it should look something like this. Now that the eraser is done, let me put this off to the side. Let's grab that piece of light tan or cream. Let's grab one of those. Let's also grab the smaller black piece, okay? This is gonna make for our pencil lead, okay? Now I'm gonna start by folding the cream piece on each score line. Now I'm going to fold the tabs as well. And it should look something like this. Now, before we glue this together, let's add the black section. We're going to fold this black section on the score lines. Be a little tricky, it's pretty small. Just take your time. And everywhere that's been scored, simply fold it. Okay, we're doing good so far. Now there's a small tab on this black piece as well, so fold that down. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to glue the black piece on top of the cream piece, okay? Making sure that the tabs are aligned, okay? So you take out some Barely Precision Craft Glue. Okay. I'm gonna glue it. The black tab is on top of the cream tab. Okay, press and hold. Okay. Looks something like this. Okay, from here, let's add some glue. This side tab here. Okay, I'm not going to be adding any glue to these other tabs. Oh, it looks like I forgot one. We're going to be adding this to the pencil, but that's going to be the last step. Sort of turn this and look at it from the inside, and kind of press that tab. Okay. Looks good. Should look something like this. Okay, let's set the point off to the side. Now we're ready to take out the longer sheets here of yellow and black. And this will make for the actual pencil. Okay. Now what you need to do is put some glue on each black tab, and that's going to go behind this yellow sheet, and you have to make sure that the score lines are lined up. Okay. Okay, should look something like this. Now we can start folding this up. Okay, now fold these tabs as well. Okay. Should look something like this. Okay. Now we're going to add some glue here to the side tabs. A little bit on the black. A little bit on the cream side as well. Okay. Then we're going to glue this together. Try to keep everything aligned and make sure you don't have any glue on the finished side. Okay. Let's take out the eraser. The eraser should just sort of fit over top. This. Okay, starting to take shape. Okay, now let's take our lead again. Now make sure you leave the eraser off until the very end. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue the lead onto the pencil. Now you want to make sure you stagger these tabs, okay? Do a little dry run first to make sure, whoops. Do a dry run first to make sure everything fits. Okay, so give these tabs another fold just so they move a little bit easier. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put some glue onto the tabs on the pencil side. Then I'll put some glue onto the tip side. Okay. Now again, stagger these tabs. It really helps to kind of put your hand inside of this pencil. It'll really kind of help. So let's these tabs out a little bit more. Let's place it in here. Okay. Now I have the opportunity to put my hand in here and press those tabs. This can be a little tricky. It does help if you have smaller hands. Try to get those tabs pressed. Okay, looks pretty good. Now you can fill these with some treats for your teacher. You could put pencils in here if you wanted. The lid is on the bottom, so there's that to consider. Make sure my tabs are perfect. And we're done. Now you have an amazing gift for the first day of school. Or if you're a teacher, you can make these to decorate your classroom.